Okay, find somewhere you can be still for the next 5 minutes, letting go of what's happened in your past and letting go of your predictions for your future. Arrive and be here with me. And whether you're sitting or lying down, feel the weight of your body. Whatever you are resting on, let that support you. Take a breath in through your nose, feel your body expand, and as you blow slowly out through your mouth, like you're blowing through a straw, allow your eyes to close. And as you continue to breathe, in through the nose, slowly out through your mouth, relax your facial muscles, unclench your jaw, and soften your neck and shoulders. Bring your attention to your feet. Don't think about them, just feel them. Can you sense a tingling and aliveness within your feet? Now move your attention to your hands and let them rest heavy. Can you sense an energy appearing within your fingertips, in the palm of your hand? Breathing gently in through the nose and out through the nose now. You're going to use 2 words as an anchor. On the inhale, you will say the word here deeply inside your mind. As you breathe out, you will say the word peace deeply inside your mind. Breathing in the word here and breathing out the word peace. And if your mind naturally wanders, bring it back to breathing in the word here and breathing out the word peace. And you might notice at the end of the breath, there's a pause where the mind becomes quiet and still. There's a peace, not something you've created, but something that was already here, waiting to be remembered and experienced. A place where good decisions come from, where clarity lives, and who you are beneath the noise of your thinking mind. Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile and a feeling of gratitude for doing this practice for yourself today. Bring your awareness back to the room. Take one big, deeper breath and let it all out as you begin to return to your day. And carry with you the knowing you can end any inner war by breathing in the word here and breathing out the word peace, and bring your full attention back to the most important moment of your life, right here, right now. This meditation was created for clients who are taking part in the 30-day meditation challenge. The science is so clear. 5 minutes of meditation a day reduces stress, anxiety, inflammation, and increases cognitive function. I dare you to make this your new non-negotiable so you can reap the rewards. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day, my friends.